So today I will download and install Unreal Engine 5 into our laptop or computer. So this is the first page of Unreal Engine. Here is the address unrealengine.com. Then it will appear screen like this. And then we will click to the product to find Unreal Engine 5. This is the latest version of Unreal Engine. Click product and Unreal Engine 5. So it will be moved to this screen, Unreal Engine 5, and then scroll down. Click download now. We cannot download directly the Unreal Engine 5 from the main page from their website like this. First, we have to download its launcher to use and to download and install Unreal Engine 5. So we need to download launcher. Click here and wait for it downloaded. I already have one Venus downloaded here, so I just open it. Then click right of the mouse and then open. So when we click install, it will be installed into yeah, because I already have one in my computer, so I need to cancel. But if you are the first time, if this is the first time that you download this launcher, just click next, and then wait for it running, and then can finish it. Yeah, when these launchers already installed your computer, it will be finished here. Just click finish. This is the logo of Epic Games Launcher, and we will double click here, and then we need to this because I have already the Unreal Engine 5 version 5 in my computer. So when you first download it, so this is the first page of the launcher. So click Unreal Engine. We can choose the version of Unreal Engine here to download. Yeah, because I just download the version 5.0.3, but the version 4.27.0 I haven't downloaded and installed, so I can't click here to install it. Now when you click to the install button here, it will appear like this, and just click install. Yes. Because I already have the version 5.0.3 here, so I just introduced you how to install it. And when it's completed, and when it complete installation, you can just click finish, And then you will have the Unreal Engine here, the Unreal Engine, the version that you want here, like this, like the version file that I have here. Click launch. Yeah, so now that this is the space of Unreal Engine file, and we can start to do our work here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.